Well, hello, Bear Watchers. Let's start off with Christmas Day. So, I know I didn't turn those on. They're on a battery, and I wanted to wait until it got dark, of course, to turn them on. So, I don't know if there's some kind of a setting on there. Kind of freaky. As you're making noise. You're making noise, Charlie. It is bad. Aww. Germany. Goodness! Oh goodness!
Is that me?
Yeah. what's going on over here today. There's like 5 fire departments. I don't know if the hotel's on fire. That's crazy. Yeah, there's like a ton of engines that go all the way around the corner over there. They've even got the ladder truck here. Hello everyone, happy New Year's Eve. I don't know if you can hear me. There's a bunch of white noise that happens here at the office because the floors are vinyl or wood, you know, so it carries. Hello. And people walking back and forth and making noise. So yeah, happy New Year's Eve. I've thought about picking up the camera I don't know how many times and I just haven't done it. You know, trying to take a break. I'll talk to you later. Workday done. I get a day and a half off and then I gotta work again. So I figured it out that the way that I did my week, because of the way the holidays fell, that I'm actually only out one person for the whole week. My weekends just split. Instead of having Sunday, Monday off, I've got Sunday and Wednesday off. So it's weird. So I stopped at the post office. I've got 5 more cards, one from Wisconsin, one from British Columbia. So the Canadian ones are making their way. They're making their way here. Oh, that reminds me, I need to get some international stamps. Maybe I'll run back inside while I'm here. I've got, what's one from family? So Michigan, of course, Oklahoma, and Idaho. Fun. You see me open up the other ones that I got right after Christmas. So that was probably on here. I don't know. You know, like I said, I was meaning to pick up the camera probably 5 or 6 times and I stopped myself from doing it because I was trying to take a break. It was weird. It was very strange to not video things. But I am going to go home and maybe take a nap before we go to the fireworks tonight. So that's probably what's going to be on here is, you know, our New Year's Eve fireworks. And they shoot them off at 8 o'clock because they want to do a family thing. There's actually 2 or 3 places here that shoot them off right about 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock. And then, I don't know, I think there's one place I saw advertised that was going to shoot them off at midnight. But it was kind of out of town, and I thought about it. I was like, well, if I'm still up, but it's going to be cold. So, oh boy. All right. I'm going to go in and get some international stamps because that's what I'm, just used my last one. I'm needing them. All right. Hi. New Year's Eve, I picked up 5 more cards. Well, one was from family. But that's okay. I got 5 more cards here. I will put them in the mail tomorrow, New Year's Day. Even though the Postal Service says they're not open, they actually do pick up mail and stuff. They say they don't, but they do. So that's a thing. And I was surprised. I sent out some packages to friends and family, and I sent 2 of them priority. And the packages, and then there were envelopes that I sent out to a couple of friends. And the one priority and both of the packages got there in 2 days. So that's a thing. But the other one, they should have gotten there today. So yeah. Wait, what's today? Yeah. I'm all mixed up. This holidays, it's really got my brain fried. I think that's part of the reason why I like to take this time off, because I can't keep track of the days. I just can't. So I made some matcha. It was a whole quart, and I put some collagen and some lemon in there with cream, believe it or not, half and half. And I am debating on going up to the fireworks. I'm usually gone by now, but I don't have anybody to go with me. The other problem is if I drink all of that and I go up there, the fireworks don't start for another 50 minutes. And then it's going to take probably 45 minutes to get out of there because of traffic. I'm not going to be able to hold it that long. I'm going to have to find a bathroom. I don't know. Should I go? Should I stay? Should I maybe try to find someplace else where I can see them from afar? I don't know. I mean, they shoot them off up on top of the hill. We always go up there, as you've seen in our past videos. Sorry, my dishwasher's on. But I don't know. We have sat on the highway. You know, we get there like just before they start, and then we sit on the highway because everybody just stops. If they're going down the highway, they just stop and watch the fireworks. They try to shoo everybody off. They don't like you sitting on the ramps, so they shoo you off of the ramps. But if you're like on the highway, on the overpass, they kind of let you sit there because there is a, you know, like a pull-off lane. But there's been so much snow this year. I don't know what the highway looks like over there. Oh my gosh. Decisions. These are the times you wish you had a boyfriend. Or a significant other. I don't know. I still got my eyes on a couple people. One snowbirds. So, I don't know. That might not. Well, it would work if I could retire. But I can't retire right now. But decisions. This is gonna stay up until my birthday this year. Groundhog Day. That's the day to start taking it down. February 2nd. I'll start taking it down. Candlemas, even though I don't celebrate, but it's coming down then. He heard his first fireworks. People in the neighborhood are blowing them off already. So I don't know if you could hear that. He heard it. But yeah, there's fireworks going off outside. New Year's Eve is like 4th of July here because you can see the fireworks and they're beautiful. The colder it is, the more they sparkle. It's just insane. We can't see them 4th of July. You can't. It's light 24/7. So I think I'm going to put some calming music on for these guys and try to make my decision. Oh my gosh, you guys. I figured I would bring the Osmo out here because the Aurora is out. I was going to go up to the university and watch the fireworks, but to me, this is much more amazing than the fireworks. Oh my gosh. And this camera is picking it up real time. Oh, I've always wanted a camera that could actually pick up the Aurora. This is amazing. You can hear all the fireworks in the background going off. Oh, I don't know if it's going to pick it up over there. It's trying to figure out where I want to point it. Oh my gosh. It's just blowing up. The sky is just blowing up. I wish you could see what I see. It's moving so fast. So fast. Back over here. Wow. I mean, if I could make it over to the university, I might be able to get the Aurora behind the fireworks. That would be so amazing. But I don't know if the fireworks would actually wash it out. Wow. This is early. I mean, it's not even 8 o'clock yet. Fireworks are at 8 o'clock. I mean, they have to be really bright. I mean, look at the light. It's right over the light over there. That light should be washing that out. So they've got to be crazy bright if you're out of the light. Oh my gosh. Beautiful, beautiful. Can you tell I only seen them once this year? I have only seen them once this year. Oh, they're changing colors. I wonder if I can grab some pink. People have been getting pink Aurora this year. Wow. The circle's getting bigger. It's right over my head. I can't even hardly get it. There you go. I don't think I can zoom out anymore. Oh, let me see. Heather said I can try to zoom out. Oh no, that's me. What is it doing? Yeah, I think that's as far out as I can go. Oh my gosh. Well, the fireworks are going to be in a few minutes. I don't know. I'm still torn. I'm having anxiety over this, you guys. Oh, I love the Aurora. I'm going to take some pictures. Yep, I'm at Creamersfield. Forget the fireworks. This is much better than the fireworks. Oh my gosh. Wow. Just wow. Somebody's got their lights on over there. You know what? I am going to freeze my butt off for you guys. I'm going to go back where I know I can see them really good. Because this is just crazy. They are blowing up the sky. Oh, thank goodness it's still going. Took me a while to get back here. I got snow inside my boots. My hands are frozen, guys. Oh, look at it move. I'm so glad I got a camera that actually picks this up now. Wow. Take some more pictures. Oh my gosh. The Aurora's dying down. It's about 5 minutes after 8. I'm gonna head towards the fireworks. I don't know where I'm gonna end up, but oh, helps if you put your keys in the car. I had the auto start going. My nose is running from being out there. My hands are frozen because I just ran out there. I was only going to get a few pictures and head to the fireworks. I just couldn't stop. I couldn't stop. All right, we're off. There's a car running next to me, and there's not too many people that know to go back where I went, because it's dark back there. So I thought they were back there. I didn't see anybody. So I don't know if they're walking the trails this late at night. That's kind of dangerous with all the moose around here. I turn this around. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I don't see the Aurora anymore. I mean, you can kind of see it. But it's died down quite a bit. It's not blowing up like it was. Oh, man. Ooh, I put my hands in front of the heater. Ooh. They usually blow the fireworks off for about 15 minutes, maybe 20. Depends on how much money they put into it and how delayed they are between each one. Oh, my cheeks are frozen. I was even going to put a headband on it. I was like, yep, a headband. I had a snow skirt in the car. I went to go put the snow skirt on, and hello, I gained 20 pounds. The snow skirt didn't fit me. Oh my gosh. So I went back in the house and I got my long coat. Ugh. So Mary and I have an announcement. She found out today, with her work perks, that we got bumped down a couple more. On the cruise. So instead of taking a chance that we might be able to go on this cruise because of, we'd have to fly to Vancouver and then we'd have to get a flight back from Juneau because it starts in Vancouver and ends in Juneau. We are not going to get on that cruise. But because of the dates that I took off and she took off, she was trying to get Tyler on it too. So Tyler actually took those dates off in May. We're going to go to Michigan. But I don't know if we're going to go to see family. We're going to do what we were going to do last year in 2023. We wanted to go act like tourists. So we were going to go to Mackinac Island and the Sioux Locks and do all the touristy stuff. The good thing about it is all that touristy stuff opens kind of like us. It's pre-season, so it's not actually in season yet. So I'll see. You can see the fireworks over top of the houses. We're going to get preseason rates, and the tickets to Michigan are cheaper, and Mary can she gets some kind of a hotel discount or something with her work perks. So I don't know. I mean, it's not much. We've used it before, like that hotel that she got in San Diego. And it was probably a $500 a night hotel, so she paid a little less than that, but it still wasn't much. When she told me what she paid, I was about ready to kill her. But she wanted to treat Mom, so that was really nice of her. But she broke her bank doing it. Yeah, she was trying to save money. Now all her savings is gone. Oh, we really did it this year. But, by May, we should have money again stored up. I wish I could turn this camera around because there are all kinds of people on the sides of me blowing off fireworks. You can see them all over the place. I see the fireworks up at the university, but they're kind of going in and out because of the height of the... Oh, I wonder if I can sit over in this parking lot and maybe see them. See, they're up on the hill over there to the right of the camera. I think my lens is dirty. I tried to clean it. My windows are icing up on the inside. I'm going to go this way. But I can't go up the hill. I don't know if I can see the fireworks from here. No, you can't see the fireworks from here. I hear them. I can't see them. I think that guy was coming out. He was probably thinking the same thing. Can you see them from here? No, you can't. You can't go up the hill from here either. Sorry guys, by the time I get there they'll be over. I might catch the finale. There's a lot of people just roaming around trying to see where they can see the fireworks. Should I just go on campus? I think I will. It's almost 20 below out here. Maybe you'll see the sign when we go by here. The sign where everybody takes their pictures in their bikinis. 26 Celsius, 14, minus 14. Oh, that's what my car says. My car's usually a couple degrees above. Minus 14. Isn't that quite 20 below? My hands are finally thawing out. Ah, there we go. Right straight in front of me. Look at all the cars. I'm just gonna park back here too, because I don't want to be caught trying to get out of here.
for days of old lang syne. And here's a hand, my trusty friend, and here's a hand of thine. We'll talk a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne. For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne. We'll talk a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne. Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne? For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne. Yet for old lang syne, for old lang syne.
Yeah, this is what I was worried about. I'll never be able to get back out of here. Now, there was a sign that said turn right only, but traffic is so backed up that they're actually letting people turn left because this lane heading into town is actually going faster. I mean, we're at a dead stop now, but oh my gosh. I had to find some dry socks because I had snow in my boots. My feet got all wet. Came home, took my wet socks off, put some pizzas in the oven. These are those Costco, the cauliflower crust ones. And I put some extra cheese and mushrooms on there. And then we got some special ice cream cones that we're going to eat tonight. And Heather's got to work tomorrow, so she'll probably go to bed early. So much for midnight. Oh my gosh, you guys. I sat down to edit this video and then I remembered I wanted to give you a little bit of information. The Osmo, we used it once and we've been playing with it. That video is coming up. I'm hoping to have that video up on Monday, because instead of Monday Measures, I've been doing, grocery hauls, and we actually went to Safeway. So look for that on Monday. I'm going to try to put up a couple of vacation videos. My intent was to, for the month of January, to put 2 up every weekend so that way I get them done from our California cruise. So if you're new here and you just showed up over Vlogmas, you don't know that we went on a California cruise in November. And it was a little bit different because we've only done 2 other cruises and they were both Disney cruises. And I can see why people get spoiled with the Disney cruises. This was a Holland America cruise, so it was a little bit, older demographic. So, those videos are coming and that's going to be on a playlist. So you can actually see that
from beginning to end if you want to wait for the whole playlist to come out. But I took the Osmo with me tonight, and I'm not used to all the settings yet. I have to get used to it. I should have videoed that Aurora in 4K. I would have gotten a much better picture. And I think I smudged the lens because I was worried about it getting really cold. So I put it in my pocket, and I think I grabbed the lens. So when I got to Creamer's, it was a little bit blurrier than it was at my house. But I had a bigger picture of the sky, so I don't know if that's just what it was doing, because when I zoomed into the fireworks, it was blurry too compared to my phone. And if you didn't know, I do everything on my phone. So all the YouTube videos you've seen throughout those last 5 years have been done on my phone. We did have a GoPro. And I don't think I ever put any footage up with the GoPro because it was one of the worst designs ever. They were having a problem with the software that year. They upgraded the software, but they didn't do the hardware to keep up with the software. So every time you tried to change screens on it, it would lock up. And, if you did more than once, if you didn't wait for it to change the screen, it would lock up. So I really never used it. It was a $800 paperweight because back then it was $800. I'm pretty sure that's what I paid for it. I was so annoyed. I don't know. Maybe I'll try to sell it on Marketplace or something. Get some money back from it. But I'm really liking the Osmo. I think I can get more footage. See, I'm losing Mary. She's my photographer, and she's going to be moving on me. That's another story too. Oh, all right. Well, I don't want this video to get too long. I think I talked all the way to the fireworks. So I think that was about 20 minutes. I don't know. So, I don't know. Some of you are used to having longer, videos, and I'm gonna put this one up the way it is. And you might have New Year's off and appreciate the longer video. But we're back. We're here, and look forward to the weekend videos again. All right, I'll let you go for now. Like and subscribe and tell your friends. And if you're new here, hello. And thank you. Thank you for joining us. And, if you sent a card, you'll get one back from us. Just tell me that you're new. You can get the post office box in the description. And you can send them whenever. I'll send you another one back. I had one last year that I had held because we went on a cruise in, the beginning of February, and it got set aside because the table got cleaned, and I sent her two cards because I sent one from last year and then one from this year. So I felt bad because I missed it. Anyways, I'll talk at y'all later in the next video. Bye.
oh